Learn Japanese. Where is?
はどこですか?
Welcome aboard. Hey you, grab your map and your smile. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources. Today your magic compass is the phrase
はどこですか?
aka, where is? Say it for the station,
駅、
bathroom,
トイレ、
or even a museum.
博物館。
If you accidentally ask a cat, don't be surprised if it leads you to a fish market. Your goal today. You'll use one super phrase to find 8 must-know places, easy, friendly, and fast. Pattern. X plus.
は、
Plus.
どこ
Plus.
ですか?
Where is X? Example. Where is the station?
駅はどこですか?
Example. Where is the bathroom?
トイレはどこですか?
Example. Where is the hotel?
ホテルはどこですか?
Mini dialogues. Listen, repeat, and imagine you're on the street. Du fragest locker und freundlich. You, excuse me.
駅はどこですか?
Local.
まっすぐ行って右です。
Go straight, then right. You.
すみません。トイレはどこですか?
Staff.
あちらです。
Over there. You, could you tell me?
ホテルはどこですか?
Local.
交番で聞いてみて。
Try asking at the police box. Culture tip. Koban to the rescue. When in doubt, ask the neighborhood heroes. Small police boxes called
交番。
are all over Japan and are great for directions. Start with
すみません。
excuse me, then your question.
改札口はどこですか?
Where is the ticket gate? Smile, and you'll often get a map. Yes, an actual.
地図。
Rhythm drill. Clap the beat and speak the street. Ready? Clap. Wa, du, ko, desu ka. Say.
博物館はどこですか?
Clap again. Say.
改札口はどこですか?
Level up. Nearest, equals.
最寄り。
Say.
最寄りの交番はどこですか?
Bonus. Need a map? Say.
地図はどこですか?
Quick quiz. Answer out loud. Du schaffest das. Q1. How do you say, where is, politely in Japanese? A.
はどこですか?
Q2. Choose the right phrase for, where is the ticket gate? A.
改札口はどこですか?
B.
改札口はいくらですか?
A. Q3. Fill the blank.
アンダーバーアンダーバーアンダーバーアンダーバーアンダーバーはどこですか?
For, hotel. A.
ホテルはどこですか?
Q4. True or false?
どこにですか?
Is natural. A. False, use.
はどこですか?
Fun challenge. Your mission. 3 wins in a row today. Politely ask 3 real people. 1.
駅はどこですか?
2.
トイレはどこですか?
3.
改札口はどこですか?
Extra credit. Find a.
地図、
At a.
交番、
Or ask for the.
最寄り。
Spot you need. Thanks and goodbye. You did great, high five. Thanks for listening to this Synapse Lingo podcast. Keep practicing.
はどこですか?
For places like.
博物館、ホテル、
And.
トイレ。
For more lessons, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.